Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Brandon. One of this critical failure. Let me adjust that a little bit. No, it's a little bit too much. I'm just going to leave it. Anyways, we are done with the Abishai now, and we're actually on the Amnizu. Amnizu. They look like, I can't even describe it. Like, they have zero neck, and they have like weird wings and stuff like that. They're green. I'll show you what they look like. They look really strange. Let me try and not get that weird reflection going on. But yeah, that's what they look like. And they're like the leaders of Hell's armies typically, or legions as they call it, and they command and protect the river Styx and like fortresses and stuff like that. They are they command the guardians of the like entrances to Hell, and they're all arrogant, bullying, and ruthless, and they are highly intelligent though, and they don't fail in loyalty, which is surprising for demons and like devils alike, which of course all archdukes of hell value, and just anything basically. They guard the river Styx in like weird fortresses that go with them, and they herd in the lemures that travel in like flocks, I guess, and they kind of like round them up and just put them into legions and train them and stuff like that. I guess that's like, it's kind of weird, but they have an ability called Devil Summoning, and that's once a day, where they summon 2d4 bearded devils, and 1d4 barbed devils. My bad. And the summoned devil appears in an unoccupied space within 60 feet of the Amnizu, acts as an ally, and they can't themselves summon others, and it remains for 1 minute until the Amnizu dies or dismisses it as an action. These things are medium, which I thought they were taller than that, and they're lawful evil. Of course, they're a devil. They're an armor class of 21 naturally, which is surprising considering the fact that they like have weird robes on. They're just fat. They have 202 average hit points, but it's 27 d8 plus 81. And they have a regular speed of 30 feet and a flight speed of 40 feet. I'm surprised because those wings look really small in that picture. I'm assuming they're a lot larger. There are strength of 11 plus 0, dexterity of 13 plus 1, constitution of 16 plus 3, intelligence of 20 plus 5, wisdom of 12 plus 1, and charisma of 18 plus 4. So they're smart and they're very charismatic. Their saving throws are dexterity plus 7, constitution plus 9, wisdom plus 5, and charisma plus 5. So I'm assuming it's a plus 6 proficiency bonus. And its proficient skill is perception plus 6. Its damage resistances are cold, bludgeoning, piercing, and slashing from non-magical attacks that aren't silvered. And it's immune to fire and poison. And its condition immunities are charmed and being poisoned. Its senses are dark vision up to 120 feet and passive perception of 17. Sorry, my bad. Its languages are common, infernal, and telepathy up to 1,000 feet. This thing could really telepathically speak to someone. And it's a challenge rating 18. I'm surprised that it has a telepathic radius of 1,000 feet. It has double sight, so as you guys may know from my Abishai video, or Abishai, double sight is basically whenever there's magical darkness, it doesn't impede its natural dark vision. It has innate spellcasting. Its intelligence, which is its spellcasting ability. Spell save DC is 19, and it has a plus 11 to hit with spell attacks. And all of its spells require no material components. I do that anyways. I don't like that. At will, it can cast Charm Person to command. 3 times a day it can do Dominate Person and Fireball, and once a day it can do Dominate Monster and Feeble Mind. It has magic resistance, and it does not have magic weapons, surprisingly. But magic resistance, it has advantage on saves against spells and other magical effects. It has multi-attack. It can use its Poison Mind. It also has 2 attacks with its Whip, and one with its Disruptive Touch. Which is weird because it has another attack called Taskmaster's Whip, which is a melee weapon attack, 11 to hit, plus 11 to hit, reach at 10 feet, 1 target only. It's an average of 10, 2d4 plus 5 slashing damage, plus 33, 60, 10, force damage. Surprise, it's 4s. It's Disruptive Touch. Pardon me. Its disruptive touch is a melee open attack, plus 11 to hit, reach at 5 feet, one target only, 44, but it's 8d10 necrotic damage. It's going to really poke you to death. Its Poison Mind attack. The Amnizu targets one of 2 creatures that can see within 60 feet of it. Each target must succeed a DC 19 Wisdom save or take 26 4d12 necrotic damage and be blinded until the start of the Amnizu's next turn. That's really cool. And Forgetfulness, recharge of a die roll of 6. The Amnizu targets one creature it can see within 60 feet. The creature must succeed a DC 18 intelligence saving throw, becomes stunned for 1 minute. A stunned creature repeats a saving throw at the end of each of its turns, ending the effect on itself on a success. The target is stunned for the full minute. It forgets everything it sensed, experienced, and learned within the last 5 hours. So basically, it's just not going to attack anything. That's really incredible. And its reactions. Instinctive Charm. When a creature within 60 feet of the Amnizu makes an attack roll against it, and another creature is within the attack's range, the attacker must make a DC 19 Wisdom saving throw. On a failed save, the attacker must target the creature that is closest to it, not including the Amnizu or itself. If multiple creatures are closest to it, the attacker chooses which one is the target. The saving throw is successful. The attacker is immune to Amnizu's Instinctive Charm for 24 hours. In my opinion, that's super fucking OP. Like, I can see this being really useful. Like, it doesn't say that it can't be an ally. So if you're the DM using the Amnizu, and it's just like, you're surrounded, playing the Amnizu, and it's just like, oh, these poor schmucks, and it's just like, they go to attack, and they're all attacking, you know? It's just like, you're hitting him, and it's just like, of course you're not actually choosing, but it's like, that's just the way that I would DM it. It's like, the charm of the Amnizu, you just accidentally, like, or purposely attack your teammates turning on them, and it's just like completely accidental. And then there's that one guy just screaming in the background, like pulling at his hair, because it's like, how did this happen? But I think that'd be really cool. But yeah, that's all the Amnizu has in the Mordenkainen and Stone of Foes. It's surprisingly really tough. Like, I'm actually genuinely surprised, but yeah, that's all of that. So thank you guys for watching this video. I do have to make it kind of short. I have to go eat and still record a video today. I might be going through and doing a video with my friend Wesley. Depends on how that goes. He's a guitarist. If anything, it's probably going to be me recording him, showing how great he is, and maybe doing a D&D video with him. I'm not sure. I would love to do a D&D video with him, but let's see how that goes. So yeah, I'm just going to go eat, and I'm going to go to my friend's house and see how everything goes. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Yeah, peace.